Good morning, friends. Today we are going to know about structural and functional unit of kidney is called as nephron, also called as uriniferous tubules. This is called as nephron. This is the structural and functional unit of nephron. Here, the nephron have mainly two parts. One is Malpighian body, and the one is renal tubule. The Malpighian body is a combination of two parts. One is glomerulus and one is Bowman's capsule. First, let us go for glomerulus. Glomerulus is a part of Malpighian body. It is formed by a branch of renal artery and it's formed into afferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole have large diameter than efferent arteriole, and it's when it's continue into the Bowman's capsule, it's divided into tipped off branches are a small ball structures called as glomerulus. Here the capillary is divided into like a network, so it's called as glomerulus. Then it's formed into efferent arteriole. This efferent arteriole is further continued into renal venule. Venules too, it's formed as into vein. Then Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is a double wall layer which consists of squamous epithelial cells are called as podocytes. Podo means food. The cells are in the food shape. That's why they call as podocytes. And the squamous epithelium containing the filtration ports. Filtration ports are also called as slit ports, which allow waste materials as well as some useful materials from blood to Bowman's capsule. It is called as primary urine. Here, the urine is formed by the help of pressure exists in the glomerulus. The variation in the diameter of afferent arteriole and efferent arteriole creates pressure in the glomerulus. It leads to filtration of waste materials along with some other materials, and it's formed as into primary urine. This primary urine entry into the renal tubule. The renal tubule consists of three parts. One is PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, and hairpin shape structure is called as loop of Henle. This loop of Henle is further continued as into DCT, distal convoluted tubule. Here, C in the sense convoluted means having coil and having highly foldings. That's what it's called as proximal convoluted tubule, and it's called as distal convoluted tubule. Distal means so far. Proximal means near. That's why it's called as PCT as well as DCT. And between them, the hairpin shape is called as loop of Henle. This loop of Henle is present in the cortex to enter into medullary of a kidney. DCT entry into collecting duct. Thank you. And around the loop of Henle, it consists of vasa recta. It's called as peritubular capillary. Its entry into its form as into renal vein.